I forgot what it's like to see snowfall for the first time, until I saw it through the eyes of my kitten. I wonder if he knows it's cold. I forgot what it's like to notice shadows on the wall, or to even try and catch them and realize they have no form. I forget how scary a reflection can be when you've never even seen yourself before. I forget what it's like to be new to the world, where toys are exciting and TVs are scarily mesmerizing. These days, I assume more than I know. And while this guy is 4 months old, it looks like he has a lot to teach me.